welcome back to my channel. My name is Tony, and in today's video I'll be doing a candle haul, like a candle supply haul of all the items I'll be using to make the candles for the Hyatt company, like, you know, to sell on our launch day and in the future. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so in this video I do have a couple of different suppliers that I bought each supply from. So I'll list each item by the supplier name. So I'll do it in the order of the suppliers. Okay, well the first thing I bought was a wooden spoon, and this is for like mixing the fragrance oil in with the waxes. I chose a wooden spoon instead of a metal spoon or like a plastic spoon, just because I didn't want it to mess with any of like the I don't know, like chemicals in the fragrance oil. That's just personal preference. I don't even know if that's like really a thing, but I chose a wooden spoon. And you can get these from anywhere. Target sells these, I know, for like $2, I think it is. But this is the first thing I got. Alright, so the second thing I got was a scale. This is to weigh the fragrance oils, the wax, everything I need to put into the candle, as well as the packages. I think I'll get a different scale just so that I'm not using both for like packaging and candles, because I know the wax could get a bit messy and I don't want it to mess up the boxes or any other packages that we'll be shipping out. Oh, I got it from Facebook Marketplace. A guy was selling it for $10, so I bought it. So that's the quote-unquote supplier. The third supplier would be like Amazon. I bought these two pouring pitchers, as well as this thermometer. This is obviously for the wax and the fragrance oil, and this is just to test the temperature of the wax, like for pouring temperatures and all the other like science behind it. Okay, so on to like a well-known candle supplier. This package is from Candle Science. So first, when I was ordering, I had like a whole bunch of stuff from Candle Science, and then when I went to like checkout and shipping, that shipping was ridiculous. So I'll talk about the other supplier that was closer, blah blah blah, in the end. But in the end of it, I got a little bit of stuff from Candle Science. So the main thing I wanted from there was this, which is the Wig Setter, or Easy Wig Setter, I think it's called. And you literally just put this in the middle of your jars with the wick inside right here, inside this part, and then you just push it on to stick it in the middle. I bought this because I don't trust myself just guess where the middle is, so I bought this. So along with the Wig Setter, they gave me this. I'm not sure if I ordered this or they gave it to me. I need to check my invoice, but they gave me this, and I'm not sure how much is in here. These are wig stickers that you put at the bottom of the wig holders so that it sticks or it adheres to the container, your candle container. All right, and the last thing I got from Candle Science were these tester, these 1 ounce tester fragrance oils, just to see how they smell. This one's mint mojito, and I could also do a fragrance oil haul or like test for you, just to let you know how these smell. But this is mint mojito, this is cashmere plum, and this is love spell. So that's what I got from Candle Science. So we'll move on to the next supplier. Okay, so y'all remember when I just said when I was on Candle Science, their shipping prices from where I live was ridiculous. It was a whole bunch. It was literally like how much money, like say if it was $200 worth of items in my cart, it was like $200 shipping. So that was too much. So when I did some research, I found out that the closest candle supplier I was near was the Flaming Candle. I could have drove to that supplier, but afterwards, when I seen the shipping costs, that would be as much gas it would take me to get to the Flaming Candle, so I just shipped it regardless. The shipping was like $38, I think. And from the Flaming Candle, so I got this is a 2-pound. This is a 2-pound slab of Nature Wax C6, and it's it's coconut soy wax or just coconut wax. I wanted to test this just to see how it works, to see if it works better than the C3 soy wax. And the second thing, which I won't show it right now, but I'll take a video and insert it into this video. I bought a 50-pound box of the C3 Nature Wax Soy Wax, I think it's called, and it comes in flakes instead of a slab like this coconut wax. And another thing they sent me were these Wig Stickers. I'm pretty sure they added it because I'm pretty sure I did order this. So they gave the Wig Stickers on top of this, slab of coconut wax. Also from the flaming candle, I bought a whole bunch of my fragrances, so I'll go through them with y'all. So the first scent I got was Mahogany Tequila. This one smells like mahogany tequila. The second scent I got, which was it's a tester. I just wanted to see how it smells because I watched a whole bunch of videos and they were like, this smells good. It's Sex on the Beach. Okay, the next scent I got was 1,000 Wishes. I got peppermint as well, Caribbean teakwood, and the reason I got this is because they were out of mahogany teakwood. All of the suppliers I was looking at was out of mahogany teakwood, and after I ordered it, they literally sent me an email the next day because I had signed up to be on a wait list or the notification list to let me know when it was back in stock. So they emailed me literally the day after I think it was the day they were processing my order that the mahogany teakwood was back in stock, but I already had this. So I got Caribbean teakwood as well. The last scent I got was watermelon lemonade. Also, along with all of the fragrance oils I ordered, they gave me a free sample, and the free sample is vanilla buttercream crunch, and I do not like this. I'm not like a fall type scent person with all like the creams and pies and sweet stuff. Like, they just make me sick, so I really don't like this, and I'm not sure if I was supposed to choose this or they just threw this in as a free sample, but I'm not sure. I've seen like a spot where you choose your free sample, because like on Candle Science you have that option, and that's, I think my free sample from them was the Love Spell. Okay, the next supplier I ordered from was candlesandSupplies.net. I think it's the website. I think it's Candles and Supplies. I think the website is candlesandSupplies.net. From there, I bought most of my vessels, all of my vessels, but I got this also, which is champagne, and I got this because another place that had champagne toast, I think, was out of stock. I bought this. It doesn't really smell like the champagne toast type candle. It smells like a candle they will burn on like a cleaning day after you finish cleaning. But so along with this fragrance oil, this is the only supplier. And then you see how they wrap these with it's like electrical tape over the knob. That was like really good packaging on their end with that. And then along with that, they sent, so I ordered 2 of those champagne fragrance oils, and then they sent this little cap that you could screw on top of it so that you could pour it, I guess, more in a more controlled setting or control way. And the last thing I ordered from this company was my vessels. So this right here is a 10-ounce candle jar, and it holds 9 ounces of wax fill weight. And then it's like this. This is the lid, obviously, and then this is how the inside looks. This one is the white one with the rose gold lid, and I got all of the same color lids but just different jars because I wanted like a variety of colors, like a different look on each candle scent, so that's what I went with. So this one right here is the white one. It's like a milky white. This one is the amber colored one. This one is a black one. And then the last one is just a clear one I got. This is how this looks. Okay. One thing I have to say with this, the packaging, like I ordered like a huge amount of, well, not really a huge amount, but it came in like big boxes. A couple, like it was like 8 candle jars were broken, I guess, like due to packaging. I'm gonna show y'all how they come. So you see like how they did like super good packaging, like tape this. Like none of the other fragrance oils that I bought did this. also got, this is how the lids come as well. Ooh, shit. In this big old bag like this. So this is how they come, like in a box, and then they'll have like a and they'll be like this part on top of it, and that was like the only protection on it other than it being in a bigger box. So I think that's what kind of contributed, as well as like the delivery service people throwing the boxes and stuff. And another thing is, the boxes did not come with like a fragile sticker on it. Not that they really pay attention to it, but yeah. Like 8 of the jars came broken. Every color except for the white one. So I emailed them and I told them about it, and they literally, so I got it on a Friday or a Saturday, I think. I emailed them that same night. Obviously, I had to wait until a business day, which was Monday, and they emailed me back, and she was like, okay, we're sorry that it was delivered to you broken, and we'll get that replacement order done within the day. And they did, and they literally sent me the ship. So they did that yesterday, which was Monday, and it'll be here on Thursday. It was no hassle, no nothing, so that was great customer service on their end, and they really resolved the problem really quickly. So yeah, I really like this, what's it called? I really like this supplier. These do come with the lids, which I found was like a cheaper option as opposed to different candle suppliers where you have to order the jars and the lids separately. And I knew that I didn't want to sell candles without the lids, because I hate that personally for myself, so I didn't want to sell it like that. And I know you're thinking, so this is all for the candle supply haul, and I know you're thinking like, well, where are your wigs? So I ordered my wigs from, actually I had ordered a CD18 and a CD20 from candlesandSupplies.com or .net, and I put it in my cart. I didn't order it that day, but the next day when I clicked checkout, it was like the CD20 was out of stock. So I was like, okay, so I ordered it and went through. Then they sent me an email the next day that the CD18 was out. So then I had no wigs. So then I had to go back, look, and try to find another supplier for wigs, which everyone, if you were buying candle supplies, you know everyone is out of wigs. And when I remember when I first started, I wanted to do wooden wigs, but I watched this lady and she was like, she couldn't find any that were good, so that kind of turned me off from it. So then I was like, well, every place I go, the only type of wigs they have in stock is wooden wigs. So I went online, did some research, how to measure them, how to do this, how to do that, how they work in the candles, what's the best way to take care of them. So I was like, let me give these wooden wigs a try. So I ordered it from the Wooden Wig Co. I ordered the 0.03 booster crackling wigs, or crackling booster wigs. It said give it 3 to 7 business days to process the order, and then it's like 3-day shipping with it. This is the 7th day, so I'm gonna see if they ship it out today. I know also when I went on their Instagram page, which ironically I didn't do in the past, even when I ordered, I still have never been on their Instagram page. When I went on their page, I seen like the comments were off on all of their most recent Instagram pictures, and I was like, that's weird. So I kept scrolling until I found one picture with comments on it, and it was a whole bunch of people like, where's my order? So yeah, that is really making me nervous. And then some people were under there like, well, since this is the only way we could get in contact with you, where is this? I've ordered since December, y'all, this is February. And if she hasn't gotten her order, and I ordered it on January 31st, but that was like a weekend day. So we'll see. I'm in the process of trying to look out for CD wigs still from different suppliers that had been out of stock, and I'm also looking for different wooden wigs. So I'm just trying to weigh my options, really. Finally, y'all, I forgot one thing. Let me go get it. Okay, y'all, so the last thing I got was these, and this is from Amazon. So first I was gonna do what's it called, clothespins to hold the wigs in place, but then I just seen these ones and they were cheaper than the clothespins, if I could get one. So this is like an actual wig holder, and then you just put it over your You just put it over your jars and put your wicks through it to keep it in the middle. So this is why I bought these ones, but I don't have any wicks, so I don't even know if I'll even be using these. All right, y'all, so that's it for today's candle supplies haul video. I'll be doing like candle making videos next once I get my wicks, because I can't do it without the wicks. So I have to wait on that. Don't forget to watch the rest of my videos in this whole entrepreneur series. I'll include, a video up above just so you can take a look at it. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at TheHiyaCo. And don't forget to subscribe to our website at thehiyaco.com so that you can be notified whenever we do launch. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.